I today tear down of this thing. It is a Soviet-made industrial indicator, one of my very few ones. I do not remember where I got it from. It seems it is indicating seconds with 10 seconds here and 1 second main dial. There is some kind of control calibration sticker here. We have one kind of a resetting switch, but the set screw for it is broken actually. And at the back we have 4 contacts, but there is this kind of paint or lacquer over the writing, so it is very difficult to read. We have here a schematic with a coil or a shunt, 2 resistors on these 4 contacts. And here there is something written, but it is completely impossible to read. So to save time, I did already undo most of the screws. We have 8 screws all around the front piece. And in fact I do not remember exactly how it goes together. Oops. So we have this front piece with the glass attached with 4 little metal clips. And yes, the knob is turning this piece, which must go somewhere inside. And it looks like I have 4 screws to undo to access the contents. Brass screws, and by the looks of it, everything inside this is brass. Looks like an old clock almost, with a little I do not know the word for it, but little dots printed in the stamp in the metal plates, and it is coming off like so. So at the back of the case, yes, we have 2 resistors, but we also have 2 capacitors in metal cans. We have here 4 spacers for the screws which are coming off. It will be fun to install. And here on this side we have mainly one coil with this mechanism here, as in a clock, a fork mechanism to make it advance. So maybe if I turn this like so, yes. So do we have any information about the power requirements? It is written 50 Hz, but there is a warning sign here, 2 kilovolts. Are we really supposed to power this thing in 2 kilovolts? In fact, we have this resistor at the back. Here is 1 mega ohm. So it should be surprising, but with Soviet industrial stuff we never know. There is one magnet here, yes, and a setting screw to set the exact course of the thing, and just a very simple mechanism here with the fuel gears. And what is doing the button on the front, I am trying to see. It looks like we will actuate something somewhere. This. It must be some kind. Oh yes, here. It is a reset. It will reset it to 0. Yes. It is very hard to push, but it is what it will do. So if I do it, progress a little bit again, manually, I can push and reset it to 0. Okay, interesting. So very simple mechanism. And in fact, it is just an indicator. You have no feedback of when you reset the thing or anything. So it is just a counter to count the working time of something, it seems. Very nice white enamel dial. And just a bakelite case. Nice little thing. So in fact I see, yes, the coil itself is on these two first contacts. So it should be to drive it with a frequency possible, maybe to drive it with a frequency generator. Can I do it? I am going to check if I have the stuff necessary for it. Yes, I have a frequency generator and I have detector clips, so we will try. It is out of frame frequency generator, but excuse me, I have to set frequency. I have 50 Hz. Okay, I have a very bad, in fact, potentiometer in the frequency generator, and I need to fix it if I find the correct matching one. So I hope I will not blow my frequency generator. It is, and as expected, maximum amplitude. It is not enough. So it is quite a fail, but I can do something else maybe. So I will try to find a way to drive this thing and make it work. Maybe directly from a transformer. It should be possible. But of course, if it is given for 2 kilovolts, it will be quite weird. In fact, what I will do, I will just measure the resistance of the coil in order to see what we have as a coil, and if it is even not cut. You never know. We have 1 kilo ohms just for the coil itself. Quite amazing. Okay, so I will probably investigate this thing, and if I manage to have it running, it may be a nice bit of video for my channel. Maybe even a piece of an intro video or something like this. So I will dig in this thing and try to make it work. Because if the coil is good, it should be possible to do something. Okay, for now, I will put this back together. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.